Today, I want to have some seafood for dinner. So, I went to a fresh seafood market this morning. Those seafood put on plates are not alive, so the prices are much cheaper. There are different kinds of seafood. I had no idea what to buy. Oh yes, fish. I haven't had fish for a long time. Okay, let me choose one. Finally, I chose a Sabah grouper. Only $45. What a bargain! The fishmonger didn't allow me to film. Oh, I'm sorry. Use a small metal spoon to scrape off the ginger skin. Then shred the ginger. Next, shred the green onions in an angle. Here comes the Sabah grouper. Wash and wash. Wash the fish very clean. Cut all the fins off. Be careful, the fins are very sharp. If there are still some fish scales left, scrape them off with a knife. For the fish abdominal cavity, you must wash it very clean. Make sure all the internal organs and intestines are removed. Wash away all the blood. Then, use kitchen towel to wipe away all the excess water. Put ginger shreds on top of the fish and inside the abdominal cavity. Also put some ginger on the plate under the fish so that the steam can pass through the bottom of the fish. When water boils, steam it over high heat for 10 minutes. Then off the heat and leave the fish in the wok for 2 more minutes. Time's up. Let's check the fish if it is done. Use a chopstick. If the chopstick can pass through the thickest part of the fish, then the fish is done. Take the fish out and pour away the water. For the green onions, rinse them with drinking water and then sprinkle them on top of the fish. At the same time, boil some oil. And then pour the boiling oil on top of the fish. That's the final step. Pour some soy sauce on top of the fish. Steamed Sabah grouper is done. Itadakimasu. Let's enjoy! Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please leave me some comments, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.